The technique I'm going to demonstrate is stripping along the spinous processes of the lumbar and thoracic spines to get at all the attachments of the muscles affecting the spine. So the direction of your vector of force should be in a posterior-anterior direction, but also lateral to medial, to use the side of the spinous processes to compress the muscles again. So including the sacrum, you start onto the sacrum. The vector of force is again posterior-anterior, and now you can see the direction of the vector, and I'm pressing right against the spinous processes. If you press with the right angle, you're going to be pushing the body. You see how I'm rocking? It's because I have the right angle. So make sure you do that when you do this technique. Now you're slowly pressing the muscles along the sides of the spinous processes. You could do it with the right hand. You could do it with the left hand. And eventually use the side of your hand if your fingers get tired. Not as precise, not as refined, not as good, but still works to give you a break.